I'm Melody Rackley, and I'm a realtor serving in the San Antonio and surrounding areas in Texas. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about first-time home buyers. If you have never purchased a home before, it's a unique process, and you may not know the steps and how to move forward in that. So I have asked Crystal Villanueva to sit with me today and talk to you and give some information about the financing and what it takes to start getting ready to see about if you're ready to purchase a home. Crystal, thank you for meeting with me today.
Thank you for having me.
So let's talk about, let's just start straight up. Someone calls you and says, I think I want to purchase my first home. I've been living in an apartment. I'm ready to take the plunge and buy my own house. What do you need from them? Where do they start?
Well, first we need to get them fully qualified, and that being said, we ask for the last 2-year W-2 statements,
Okay.
the last 30-day paycheck stub at their current employment, and we ask for the last 2 months bank statements.
Okay, so let's talk about the W-2s. Let's say someone has been in college this whole time, full-time, and they have not held a full-time job. So if that's the case, do they still have the option of buying a house?
They sure do. So if they started a brand new job and they have a 4-year degree, we will ask them for school transcripts for the entire time that they've been a full-time student, and we ask them to provide a copy of their diploma, and we need them to be at their job for 30 days with a proof of their paycheck stub.
Okay, so potentially if you've just graduated college and you're now in the workforce and have secured a good job with a salary, you just have to prove all of that and show your transcripts that you've been busy, maybe not with a full-time job, but a full-time education, and you'll be set to go. Okay, and then why do you ask for bank statements? What are you looking to see in that?
Okay, so FHA, that's one of our programs that has the minimum down payment of 3.5%. We ask to see if they can support that, and if they can't, then we have a down payment assistant program grant programs available, depending on credit score and depending on total household income.
Okay, so I like that you mentioned the grant programs, because the grant programs are really great if you don't necessarily have the down payment or you were hoping to buy furniture and stuff. There's requirements on that, so you're not expected to know all that. That's why you call Crystal, and she's able to walk through the steps. She looks at your overall financial picture to see how you're sitting, and then she helps determine and gives you options and says, this is a really great program, but really this one might be the better one for you for this reason. And then she helps you make an educated choice on which way to move forward. Okay, let's say someone thinks they're ready to go, they've got their job, but as it turns out, their credit's not as strong as they thought. Either they've got some student loan debt, or maybe they just haven't built enough credit. What do you do in that situation?
So after we pull credit and someone's considered borderline, like 10, 15, 20 points away, we have the capability of running a rapid rescore function, and this will allow us to see if we can increase their score within a 3 to 5 business day turnaround time.
Oh, wow. Okay. So that could still be a pretty quick process.
Yes.
Okay, let's say they've got a few more things on their credit, a little bit troublesome things, late payment or something like that. Then what does that look like? Is it just a done deal, or can they work towards?
Not necessarily. A 30-day late payment will hinder the loan from being approved at this time. However, as 6 months to 9 months to 12 months goes by, that's going to help increase their credit with the timing of that late payment. So that's something that, it could take anywhere between 6, 9, 12 months thereafter that late payment to hopefully get them qualified.
Okay. So in that case, should they go ahead and reach out to you?
Yes.
Okay. So I already kind of know some of the answers to this, but I wanted to have this dialogue. So basically, if you think you're wanting to buy a house, even if I've got some stuff that's not so great on my credit, or I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough money in the bank, if you go ahead and speak with Crystal or myself and we start working through all of that with you, then we can help you make an action plan of, okay, pay down this card, or go ahead and sock away a little bit more money in your bank account, or whatever you need to do to start getting ready. And all of that, the consultation of helping you work through that and determining where you sit now and helping you get prepared is at no cost. It's a complimentary service we offer to try to help our clients. So, don't say, oh, I've got stuff, I got to go to the credit service and pay a bunch of money to have them fix it before they look at it, because that oftentimes is not the case, and Crystal can kind of help guide you in what you can do in the steps to get ready. I think that's pretty much it for today. We'll probably have a follow-up. So if you've got more questions on first-time homebuyers or anything else you'd like to discuss, please drop us a line, let us know, and we're happy to shoot another video and discuss whatever you'd like. And then please check out my resource library on YouTube or my website for more information and resources pertinent to real estate. I will talk to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.